Hello guys, welcome to today's live stream. I just wanted to start off by saying what an amazing day we had today. It was amazing to purely see the market rally up so much. Bank Nifty has done a tremendous job. So without further ado, let me first share my screen and show you what I was talking in the thumbnail. This is my position and this is the profit that we have booked, guys, right? So if you can see, this is the profit that we have booked for the day. 46,830 rupees is what we have booked for Aglogains for the day. It was amazing day. I would truly say that the rally was fantastic. So let us quickly go back and review the markets and see what happened, right? So like we always say, Thursday, it's all about the expiry. The option prices are going to expire worthless. So it's always beneficial to be an option seller on expiry. So if you want us to cover more expiry day strategies, please do let us know and we'd be more than happy to cover them for you. Okay. So let us look at the 15-minute chart. So if you see, I'll switch to 5 minutes. Let us first start with what happened in Bank Nifty. Then we'll go to doing our basic option selling strategy for intraday. We'll see how that performed. And then we'll sum up the whole day showing you what we did in terms of our selling, right? So this is the first candle, second candle, third candle. So the high of the first candle is where we go ahead and mark our levels. And the low of the first three candles is where we mark our levels. Now the market has broken out of our level towards the upside consistently for the whole day. What an amazing rally. Let me just show you. If you were to take an up move right from here and you were to capture all these points, then yours was the day, right? It was a 377 point up rally today that we have seen. Okay, now quickly let us go ahead and see what led to this. We'll talk about the big resistance zones that we were talking about. Now obviously this was one of the biggest resistance zones that we've had for a long time that we were watching, right? Yesterday it tried to break above this, but we could not. We saw a downward move, then it broke with a lot of decision and decisiveness is sort of broke above. So let us go ahead and look at what this level was. If you remember in our previous streams also, we were stressing on this 43,450 to 500 level. This acted as a big resistance for us. Once that was broken, coupled by the HDFC bank results, the market has gone skyrocketed. Now let me go ahead and quickly show you stock mark. Let us go ahead and implement the strategy that we always do for intraday, and we'll go ahead and take a look and see how that would have performed, right? So this is today, Thursday. I'm going to the builder. Let me go ahead in the morning for this strategy. In fact, let me go to simulator. That'd be easier. Say, when did the market, settle down a bit? So usually this is 9:30, right? 9:30 candle. Somewhere along here, you saw a red, then a green, then a red, which means market is in this close spot. Here somewhere we could actually enter a buy position enter into our strategy. My bad. We don't buy here, guys. We only option sell. And also, before I dwell into the stock mark analysis, today's intraday position, please do go ahead and like, share, comment all your doubts in the comment section below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing to the channel. It would be of great help for us, and the whole thing would sort of work out really well. We will keep posting content every day in the morning from 9:30 to 10:30, live streams in the evening from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. That's where our typical live streams are. All right. So let me go ahead and show you in stock market what would have happened. So let us go to 9:40. I'll do this very quickly, guys. You already know what our strategy is. We'll go ahead and look at where a closer to 300 call option is and a closer to 300 put option is, and we are going to sell them. So sell this, sell this. This is our position with hedges, of course. So let me go ahead and get some hedges. Now the beauty of the intraday strategy, for Thursday, which is on expiry, the hedging cost is really less, guys. Look at how much the option price is. It's like 2 rupees I'm getting a hedge, which is, 5-10 strike prices away. So let me buy this. Okay. Let me go ahead and buy this too. Somewhere along here, I can go buy this. Okay. Now, this is my position. If you see, my entry price is 326 rupees. So let us go to calculator, quickly calculate this for you. 326, sorry, my bad, 326 plus 20%. 391 is our stop loss for the call option here. In fact, what I can do is I can go ahead and set an alert here. So let me set 20% here, 20% here. That way I don't have to manually calculate this. Okay. I'm going to save this alert and I'm going to run this strategy for you. Okay. 5 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes, guys. Obviously, let me just run this for 5 minutes. Okay. For the sake of doing this, let me just quickly run this for you. And obviously, we can do this with 10 lots. So let me just go ahead and add in 10 lots here. 10 lots, right? Cool. Now, none of the options have hit the stop loss here. Okay. It will make a big ringing sound if it does hit the stop loss. There you go. So the first call option stop loss has hit. And this has hit around what timing, guys? It has hit around 11 o'clock. Let us get back to the charts here. See what happened at 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, 11:05. This was the first time it broke above our level that we drew. Okay. Now, all we have to do is let me scale this up a bit faster for you. This is still running. We have one leg that's running. So if the market goes up, we are in huge profits. Because the call leg has hit, I will exit the call hedge also. So I've exited this. This is practically what happened today, guys. And I will show you my position once again towards the ending. But this is practically what has happened in the day. All right, let me go run this for you. 11:35, 11:50. 12 o'clock, okay, not bad. If you see our PNL, it's sort of going up 14,000. Okay, this is decent. Obviously, if you remember our old trades, we exit out at 255 irrespective of where the market is. Now, for us, in this case, that did harm us a little bit. I'll tell you how it harmed us is because after 255, if you see this, here we sort of exited. There was another big rally after 255. If you look at that, market sort of went up another few points after 255. It went up about, I would say around 150 points more, right? So till here it was 150 points. From there it almost went equally. And we did not capture that. I did not capture that in my order book here as well. I will show that to you. The reason for that is quite simple, guys. You cannot capture every trade or every trend in the market. You should have an entry strategy. You should have an exit strategy. And as you have an entry and an exit strategy, be prepared and stick to your strategy. Like I always keep saying, you remember the days we made a lot of losses? Continuously, we've made 20,000 loss, 20,000 loss. I did show you those days. Go back to our shorts on this channel. Go back to my previous videos. You actually can see the losses that we've made. Even on that day, I stuck to the same strategy. Even today, when I made profits, I stuck to the same strategy. Now, the beauty of running a strategy is that whenever you are wrong, the strategy is wrong and you can always tweak it and improve it. But whenever you're right, the strategy is right and you can tweak it and make it better. The minute you remove the aspect of strategy and you start trading based on your own discretionary trades, then the responsibility sort of falls on you. That is not a risk I'm willing to take. I am a systems trader. I follow a system. I follow to the end. Getting back to the charts here, guys. If you see, this is what we missed because according to our strategy, that was not something that we take. So at 255, I exited this trade that we were actually going to take, right? So my one leg has made 17,000 loss. The other leg has made 68,000 profit. All in all, 49,750 is the profit we see on paper. Obviously, this does not play out that well in the whole, real market scenario. So we ended up making a profit of about 46,830. In fact, from MIS positions, if you see, which is my intraday positions, 24,000 loss on one leg, the call leg, similar to what you're seeing here, 17,000, 24,000, because I trade with 12 quantity, which is 12 lots. And on the put side, 67,000 profit is similar to what you're seeing, 68,000 profit, right? So this is how transparently we trade, guys. I'm showing you through my own Zerodha account. This has made a 67,000 profit, 24,000 loss. All put together, intraday, I've made about 42,000 profit. Then if you remember my iron fly, and if you remember the strategy that my teammate has explained in the morning, that has given us a significant profit of about 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. So all in all, May month, right? The series of May series has ended successfully. We've made quite a lot of profits. I touch wood that it's been going good. Again, this is all because of trusting in the system and following the system to the T. Let me do something really quick here, guys. Let me open up my YouTube channel and let me show you where we actually showed you this strategy that I'm talking about. I would like to urge you all to go to that video and please go ahead and take a look at that video once again so that you know what I'm talking about. Okay. So just a second, this is not what I mean. Give me a minute. I want to make this of value to you guys. So please give me a second here. This is one weekly option selling strategy that I show, but go ahead and look at this strategy. I have exactly explained the same intraday option selling strategy here. Go ahead and look at this strategy. We have explained the same intraday option selling strategy here. All these strategies, in fact, everything that we have shown, this was the same strategy. This was the same strategy. This was the same profit booking. So please do go ahead and look at all these videos. I hope that you get the value out of them. Now, on a closing note, let us go ahead and look at what happened with HDFC Bank for today. Obviously, HDFC Bank has posted tremendous Q4 results. The Q4 results were amazing year on year. There were a lot of profits that they have anticipated. The street was expecting about, I think 5% increase, and this has gone ahead. I think somewhere around 3,800 crores was what the street was expecting. This has given a year on year growth of about 4,425 crores. So that's amazing. This has in fact boosted this rally that you see from about 230, 225, this section. This rally was actually boosted by HDFC, this rally, right? So that is why I believe in following the system. Now, this is our live for the day. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubts, any questions, and I would be more than happy to answer them. I hope you had a great trading session today. I had an amazing day, and we at Aglogains were really looking forward to this. We did have some setbacks in the last couple of days, and I'm really happy that we broke all of them and we booked about 48,000 odd profit today. It was a great day. I think that's the beauty of believing in systems. If there is anything you have to take away from this video, please do take away the logic of trusting in your system and following it through, right? It's almost like going to a game of probability, guys, right? If you believe that you have an edge over the market, if you do it long enough, you will end up making money. That's the thought for the day. I'd like to leave you with that small thought, and this was amazing. So I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel, evening at 9 o'clock, but tomorrow in the morning at 9:15, 9:30, we will again go live and let us see how the markets have performed. And if you haven't already, and if you've watched till here, please do consider subscribing to the channel. I will link all these other videos that I showed you in the description. Like I showed you, go back to the channel, look at a couple of these videos, try to understand the strategy that I'm talking about, because we will be trading this every day for the next coming 30 days or 40 days, right? Simple strategy: sell 300 call, sell 300 put, 20% stop loss, 20% stop loss. Let us see how that goes. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. It was great talking to you today, and good night.